Too early to talk about it, but I couldn't be more excited.
Can we just check, you start shooting May, don't you?
We start shooting May.
Please tell me it starts on the 4th.
It does not start on the 4th.
That's a shame.
Do you admire Akiva's work?
Very much so. Akiva is someone who I've been lucky enough to work with and be friends with, and I'm thrilled to see his film tonight. I can't wait. I've not seen it yet.
Have you looked at any of the stars, like Colin for Star Wars or anything? You're not going to?
It's too early to talk about who's in the movie, unfortunately, but I can't wait to see him in this film.